In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change notes in Zoho Invoice. If you've already set some notes in your invoices, but now need to update or modify them, you're in the right place. This is especially useful if you're looking to refresh your payment information or maybe add a personalized thank you message to your clients. So, let's dive in and take a look at the simple steps to adjust these notes. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Zoho Invoice homepage. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. That's where you'll find the settings icon, which looks like a little gear. It's your go-to for accessing various features and functions of Zoho Invoice. Go ahead and click on it to open the menu. Next, within the menu, look for the Invoices section. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Sometimes it's listed under a subsection called Preferences within the Invoices module. Click on that option, and it will take you to the area where you can manage all invoice-related settings. Here's where you'll find two key fields: Terms and Conditions and Customer Notes. These fields allow you to customize the extra information that appears on every invoice you send out. It's a great way to ensure your clients always have access to crucial information, like payment terms or special messages. So, locate these fields and get ready to make your changes. In the Terms and Conditions section, you can enter or update any necessary details you want included. This could be anything from payment deadlines to return policies. For the Customer Notes field, you might want to add something a bit more personal, maybe a warm thank you message or a reminder about upcoming services. Simply click into the fields and start typing the new text you'd like to include on your invoices. Be sure to review your text for any errors to maintain professionalism. Once you've updated both the terms and conditions and the customer notes to your satisfaction, the next step is crucial. Remember to click the Save button. It's typically located at the bottom or top of the page. This ensures that all your hard work doesn't go to waste and that your changes are applied across the board on future invoices. And that's it. With these changes saved, every invoice you generate will now feature your updated notes and terms, enhancing communication with your clients and adding a personal touch to your billing. This small change can make a big impact on how your business is perceived, showing clients that you care about the details. Thank you for joining me today. I hope these instructions help you easily update your notes in Zoho Invoice. Remember, keeping your invoicing information up to date is a key part of running a smooth operation, and now you know exactly how to do it. Until next time, take care and happy invoicing.